Looking to make life easier and more enjoyable for elderly loved ones? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into some of the best Amazon gadgets that can seriously improve daily living for seniors. From gadgets that enhance mobility and independence to tools that help with health management and safety, these tech solutions are designed to make everyday tasks simpler, safer, and more accessible. So, whether you're shopping for yourself or a loved one, these innovative gadgets are sure to make a huge difference. Links to the best prices of the product in the description below. Let's get into it. 1. Car Door Assist Handle. The Car Door Assist Handle is a practical mobility aid designed to make entering and exiting vehicles easier, especially for the elderly, pregnant women, and those with limited mobility. It fits most cars, trucks, and SUVs by hooking into the car's door latch. The ergonomic handle provides a stable grip, reducing the risk of falls or strain while getting in or out of a vehicle. Many versions, such as the Vive Car Assist handle, are made from durable composite materials and can support up to 300 pounds. Some models include additional features like cushioned grips for added comfort and non-slip rubber handles to enhance safety. Prices typically range from $9.99 to $25 depending on the model and features. 2. Shower Commode Chair. The Shower Commode Chair is an essential mobility product for those with limited mobility who need assistance with hygiene. This versatile chair allows the user to shower comfortably while seated, and it is designed to fit over a standard toilet for use as a commode. Constructed from rust-resistant materials, the chair typically features height-adjustable legs, armrests, and a backrest for comfort. Many models have swivel or removable footrests and are equipped with lockable casters for easy mobility and safety. Prices generally start around $120, depending on the model and features. 3. Digital Pill Box with Single Beep Alarm and LED Alert. The Digital Pill Box is a smart solution for individuals who require assistance managing their medication schedule. With an integrated alarm and LED indicator, this pill box helps ensure that users do not miss a dose. It typically offers multiple compartments for daily pills and includes a beep alarm that can be set to go off at specific times. The LED alert visually signals when it's time for the next dose. Available for prices around $20 to $40, it is a practical tool for both seniors and individuals managing chronic health conditions. 4. Foldable Grabber Reacher Tool with Headlight. The Foldable Grabber Reacher tool is ideal for individuals who need assistance reaching high shelves or picking up objects without bending over. This model often comes equipped with a headlight for visibility in dark spaces, making it easier to retrieve items in low-light conditions. The tool is lightweight, foldable for storage, and typically features a strong, non-slip grip to ensure secure handling. Prices range from $15 to $30, depending on the brand and features. 5. Automatic Jar Opener. An automatic jar opener is designed to assist those with limited hand strength in opening jars or bottles. With the press of a button, this device securely grips the lid and applies torque to open it without requiring much physical effort. Some models also include adjustable grips to handle different sizes of jars, and they can be powered by batteries or electricity. The price for these devices generally starts around $20 and can go up to $50 for more advanced models with additional features like automatic shutoff. 6. Felt Bedside Caddy. The Felt Bedside Caddy is a handy storage solution for keeping essentials like remote controls, books, phones, and medications within easy reach while in bed. Made from soft, durable felt, it typically features multiple pockets for organized storage and can easily be attached to the side of a bed or chair. These caddies often come in various colors and sizes, and prices range from $15 to $30. 7. Book Reading Light. A book reading light provides focused, adjustable light for reading in low-light conditions. Many models feature LED bulbs for long-lasting, energy-efficient lighting. With flexible arms and clip-on options, these lights can be attached to books, desks, or headboards for hands-free use. Prices for a quality reading light generally start around $10 and go up to $25, depending on the style and brightness settings. 8. Anti-slip socks. Anti-slip socks are designed to prevent slips and falls, especially for individuals with mobility challenges or those recovering from surgery. These socks are typically made from soft cotton or wool and feature rubberized soles for added grip on smooth surfaces like tile or hardwood floors. Available in various sizes, these socks are often priced between $5 to $20. 9. Folding walking cane with LED light. The folding walking cane with LED light is a highly practical mobility aid for individuals who need support while walking. The LED light feature provides visibility in dark conditions, enhancing safety for evening walks or navigating dimly lit spaces. The cane folds for easy storage and can support a variety of body weights, typically up to 250-300 pounds. Prices for folding canes with added features like LED lights range from $15 to $40. 10. Electric EMS foot massager. An electric EMS foot massager uses electrical muscle stimulation, EMS technology to soothe foot pain and promote relaxation. It typically offers adjustable settings for intensity and can massage both the soles and sides of the feet, making it ideal for individuals with poor circulation or those who spend long hours standing. The price for such massagers ranges from $50 to $100. 11. Wrist blood pressure monitor. A wrist blood pressure monitor is a convenient tool for individuals who need to monitor their blood pressure at home. It is compact and easy to use, with many models offering memory storage, automatic inflation, and LCD screens for easy reading. Prices for wrist blood pressure monitors typically range from $20 to $60. 12. Overbed tilt top table. The overbed tilt top table is a versatile table designed for individuals who are bedridden or have limited mobility. It typically features a tilting surface for reading, eating, or using a laptop, and can be adjusted in height and angle. Many models include wheels for mobility and a sturdy, lightweight design. The price generally starts at $60 and can go up to $150, depending on the materials and features. 13. Motion sensor. Nightlight. A motion sensor. Nightlight automatically turns on when it detects motion, making it ideal for hallways, bathrooms, or bedrooms to avoid stumbling in the dark. These lights are energy efficient and can be battery-powered or plug-in. Prices for motion sensor nightlights range from $10 to $25. 14. Electric can opener. An electric can opener is a hands-free tool designed to make opening cans easier, particularly for individuals with arthritis or limited hand strength. It typically features an automatic cutting mechanism, making it safer and more convenient than traditional can openers. Prices for electric can openers generally range from $15 to $40.